Let's see how to hide tagged photos on Instagram. So first you have to open up your Instagram and go to your profile. Now tap the tag tab where you can see all the posts and reels you have been tagged in. Now if you want to hide just one tagged photo or reel, just tap on the reel or post and then you have to tap the three-dot menu and go to the tag options. So here we'll find the hide from my profile option, just go for it and that's it. Just reload your page and see the tagged post is now hidden from your profile. But if you want to hide all your tagged posts together, just from your profile, tap the hamburger menu and select your activity section. Here we'll get this tags option and right from here you will see all the posts you have been tagged in before. Just tap select and choose the post one by one and then tap hide. You have to confirm the action. Now all selected tagged posts are hidden from your profile. And that's it. And this is how you can easily hide tagged posts on Instagram. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.